Hello and welcome to this demonstration of my responsive web app Whistle-Stop. Whistle-Stop combines the scavenger hunt game with all the fun of learning about new historical things in the city around you. You choose your location, in this instance it'll be London, and then as you move through each of the stops you answer questions, you uncover new interesting facts, and then they will lead you on to the next stop. And if you complete all 20, you will have completed the Whistle-Stop game. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to sign in and be on our way. So we're just on our landing page here for our responsive web app. We're stuck to a purple and white colour scheme here, and there's some cards for users to look at, exploring more of what can be done. Signing up is the main call to action in all the buttons here, so we're just clicking through here. We've got our forms which are labelled, and also they have placeholder text to guide you through and help you out when you make errors. So now we're logged in as a new user. So as you can see, empty state, and what we want to do is, if we had just arrived in a new country, is we're going to search for the city we're in. And in this instance that's going to be London. So we're going to search for London, so straight into the search bar there. We've typed in London, and now we have 15 results for London. We've got a filter here where we can specify distances that we want, or times, or how many stops, and also there are some suggestions on this main page here. We're going to carry on here with London, and we're going to go for royal history, and I think that'll do. Show the results. There are 18 games found here for London city hunts. We're gonna go with the highest rated one, so we'll go with this, and here it is. So this is all about the game now. Historic London, the city hunt. You'll be able to slide through more images here. A couple of reviews here, some social proof, and then there's a description of the game. It's 2 hours long, it's got 10 stops, suitable for children. So as a family who's just arrived in a new city, this would be perfect. Our first question. So we need to answer these, but we're going to just go and check out the quick player's guide. It shows us how to play this specific game. So back to our first question. So we'll assume that we are obviously stood at Nelson's column, and we're going to say 8. There is also an option here to play the text, so that you can play it to a group, or if you have vision impairments. So 8 we went with. We've lost a life, and we now are 8 has been taken off the board, so we will choose give us a clue. Here is our first clue. We are going to resubmit our answer. This time we'll go with 4, and that appears to have worked well. So now we move on. We've got our directions coming up for the next one, which is the banqueting house. It tells us there the duration of the walk and the distance, and here is also our map saying where we currently are and where we would like to be. There's an option to check out a top fact. This will be in relation to the Whistle-Stop that you're currently at. And this one is to do with paintings, oversized in the banqueting house. Moving back, we come to the next set of questions, of which you will then proceed through all of these as you had done on the previous one. And this takes you to the end of the game, moving you through to the game summary, and then finally back to your dashboard, which now has been populated with some of your details from your previous game, and also gives you the option to sign up. So that's the main key feature of Whistle-Stop, the actual game function. Thank you for watching.